Hello everyone, in front of me is VIVO Y16 and let me show you how to force restart of this device. So whenever your device is stuck for some unknown reason and you want to perform a soft reset, you have to tap on power button along with volume down button to perform a reset. So just keep holding both buttons together. You have to keep it for at least 10 seconds. So don't lose your patience, it will be done. So as you can see, it is already switched off, and just wait for the vibration. Now you can release the buttons and wait till it's rebooted. Then you will be able to use your device again in a normal way. Now just unlock your device, and that's it, you can smoothly use it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.